This is Belgian Coticule Sharpening stone. See? It's lapped in chamfered on both sides. On the Belgian blue side, for about 1/4 of an inch, it had to be rolled out to get some big chips out of the way. It also rolled the corner. Just get stuff out of the way. This stone is sort of everything you want out of a caudicle. It has speed, it has fineness, it has stone feel. It's just a beautiful stone, and I wouldn't sell it, except it's not a size that's to my liking. It's, anyone that knows me knows I really don't like 4-inch long cauticles. It's 4 inches long by 2 5/16 of an inch wide, so it's wider than the usual 4x2, which is almost enough to salvage it for me, by 11/16 of an inch thick in total, with the caudicle itself being 3/16 of an inch thick. And it's a really beautiful quality material, this one. Just not a dimension to my liking for what I use it for. Anyway, Belgian Coticule.